How to fix Netflix your payment is pending problem. Let's get started. First up, launch your preferred browser and head towards the website of Netflix. Type in netflix.com. You'll be directed to the login page. Provide your credentials and then log into your account. Once logged in, you'll be directed to this page. Now click on the option of Manage Account. Now here you're going to find different tabs. Head over to the tab Overview. Scrolling down, you're going to find the option of Manage Payment Method. Click on that. Now from here, you can easily make changes and fix this issue. You can remove the existing payment method. Then click on Add Payment Method. Then provide new payment method. Select the option of your choice, mobile bill or credit or debit card. Then go ahead and provide the card details and then click on Save. With that, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can easily fix Netflix your payment is pending problem. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.